Hello guys, Jail here from Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register on Trading 212. So to do this is pretty simple. So here, you're in trading212.com. Just open an account. You'll be redirected to this. You'll have to open an account, select country of residence, as you can see right there, continue, and then you'll have to choose an account. Where you want to do is invest right here. So there's 4.2 APY, multi-currency, ready paid pies, and 24 hours trading. There's also CFD, but I recommend going into your invest right here. So let's just log into my account right here so that you will see that the rest of the details are going to be right here. So once you have opened it and you have created your account, you'll have to set up your account as usual. So from here, you will have to select your nationality, then your personal details, your first name, last name, and number, your tax residence. So just set that to Germany again. So let's go. Oh, there you go. Next is your identification or IDNR. So there you go. And then the rest will follow for your verification. From there, you will have to be registered and verified by Trading 212. It's just that simple. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.